10 is to kind of, again, a double whammy, but one, I want you to extend yourself grace, right? Because we're talking about habit adjustments, right? So if you haven't been doing any of these things, these are new habits that you are going to have to create for yourself and maintain, but you're also going to have to dismantle some of the things that you have not been doing or may have been kind of counterproductive to the new habits that you are going to be adjusting or creating for yourself. So with that being said, you have to extend yourself grace. This is a journey. It's not something that you're going to be able to, snap your fingers and do in a week. This is likely going to take weeks, maybe months for you to accomplish for yourself. But again, you are working to be more organized. And so it's definitely worth your investment. And then again, I said this was kind of like a double whammy in terms of the tip, but I also want you to celebrate yourself. So if you notice that you have for the last 2 to 3 weeks been getting up, establishing your morning routine, making your beds, and it's not something that you were doing prior to, celebrate yourself, reward yourself with something that is kind of like, okay, you got this, keep going, and I'm proud of myself, right? So again, these are the tips to help you become more organized if you do them on a daily basis, but also just be mindful that this is a journey and it is not a sprint.